Attitude represents how a person thinks or feels about something or someone. On the other hand, behavior that represents an individual's reaction. It's a reaction. Behavior is a reaction to a particular action from a person or in the environment around the person. Attitude refers to a person's mental view. It's a mental view regarding the way he or she thinks or feels about someone or something. But on the other hand, behavior, it implies the actions, moves, conduct, or functions of an individual or group towards other persons. Attitudes are based on experiences and observation, but behaviors are based on situations. Our attitude, what we are adopting today, that will tell us how successful we are going to be tomorrow. Attitudes are just reflections. They reflect what you think or feel. They are not the behavior kind of, or they are not the actions. But on the other hand, behavior is what? When we have taken action. It is not always your aptitude. This is again inborn within the person by birth, which the CBSE and the different boards are talking about these days. What is the innate quality? The Harvard Gardner theories talk about it. What is the aptitude of the child with by birth? So this is not always your aptitude, which is the natural ability or the skill, but the aptitude, which is means your inborn qualities plus your attitude. They both together, they decide the altitude or the greater height that we achieve in our life. We need to see the power of attitude, how it drives us in every situation of our life. Attitude is a predisposition. It is a predisposition or a tendency to respond positively or negatively towards a certain idea, object, person, or a situation. The kind of feeling we have in our mind, it is not there and then generated. It takes a lot of upbringing and lot of thought process. It is a interplay of lot many thoughts going inside the mind based on the predetermined uh, attitude which has developed over a period of time. How we choose to speak to the person, because it takes something which is going on already in my mind, positive or negative thoughts about the situation or a person. Shortcut is often wrong cut. We must not go ahead for the shortcuts. Shortcut may lead us to the disastrous consequences. We may take a little long cut, but that must be right. We need to change our focus to make our attitude be in a right channel. We should focus what we are going to do. We should keep our focus on the right attitude. Our attitude are the driving force of all our actions. So we should keep our focus on the right things so that with the right kind of attitude we can move ahead. People from surface see only your knowledge and skills, but what the attitude has been, that is the main driving force, whatever we are doing in our life, anywhere, in any situation, with any person, with anything, whatever we behave, the kind of behavior, this is visible only like an iceberg, tip of the iceberg. The greater role is played by the attitude. Attitude is the engine of our life. So we can have a strong personality with commitment and hard work. Mental exercise, similar fashion, it also needs a lot of commitment and hard work. If we have to develop strong positive attitude, we have to have a lot of commitment and hard work. Let's see how we can help us maintaining the positivity. We have to now control our attitudes, right? We don't have to be driven away with the negativity now onwards and start creating miracles in life. Write your goals, what you want. What you want, have your long term goals. Believe in yourself. Move ahead. Don't stop. Carry on with your good work. Carry on with your goals, your objectives, long term and short term. Have the courage and persistence to follow your dreams because attitude is
Everything.